Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Linux distribution and package manager so commands work predictably. Once done, pick a VPN provider or self-hosted endpoint and download credentials plus the OVPN or WireGuard config. This avoids guesswork later. Next, update packages and install the client, apt install OpenVPN or apt install WireGuard, or use DNF/pacman equivalents. Doing this early ensures you have the correct binaries and permissions before moving files into /etc. and starting services. Now move configuration files into the proper system locations and set ownership to root with restrictive permissions so keys stay safe. Then start and enable the service with systemtil enable, now OpenVPN at myconfig, or run wgquick up wg0 and enable it for boot. Make sure to update firewall rules to allow the VPN interface and to prevent DNS leaks by configuring systemd resolved or /etc/resolve. Conf priorities. Check journoctl U for immediate errors and confirm interfaces appear with. You finish by verifying the tunnel. Check your public IP with curl ifconfig. Inspect IP route to ensure traffic uses the VPN interface and confirm DNS through resolvectl or dig. Make a simple kill switch with iptables or NF tables to block outbound if the tunnel drops, and ensure the service is enabled for reboot. If something goes wrong, check journoctl U OpenVPN or WG-show and review MTU/DNS mismatches. These logs usually reveal authentication, routing, or DNS issues to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.